Hello everyone, this is Suresh KP from myinvestmentids.com. Today we'll do UTI AMC IPO review, whether one should invest or avoid. UTI Unit Trust of India is a well-known mutual fund brand company and the second largest asset management company in India. So if you are investing in mutual funds, you might be investing in some of the UTI mutual fund schemes. Let us check about the IPO information. IPO is going to open on 29 September. It's going to get closed on 1st October. Issue price band is 552 to 554 per share, and approximate issue size is 2,160 crores. And one need to invest in 27 shares and in multiples of 27 shares. The minimum investment is approximately 15,000 rupees on the higher price band. And if you see, there are 7 to 8 the lead managers: Kotak Mahindra, Axis Capital, Citigroup, Global Markets, ICICI Securities, SBI Capital, and JM Financials. It's going to get listed on NSE as well as on BSE. Now let us talk about the objects of the issue. The main objective is to achieve the listing gains, and the shares. It's going to be the offer for sale. The selling shareholders are going to sell their shares. Those are the major things. And if you see, if you come to the company promoters, there is no it's a professionally managed company and does not have any identifiable promoter as per the terms indicated by SEBI and ICDR Regulation and Companies Act. If we come to the company financial performance, if you see, the revenue is actually on the declining mode in the last 3 years. If you see FY 2018, it generated 1,162 crores versus in FY 20, it is declined to 890 crores. If we come to margins, margins are also fluctuating. It was 34.8% in FY 18 and suddenly dropped to 13.3% in FY 19 and again jumped back to 31% in FY 20. But if we see any margin which is more than 31% is really very good. Its EPS per FY 20 is 21.53 and last 3 years average EPS is around 24.83. Let us talk about some of the key strengths of UTI AMC. One, it's a well positioned to capitalize the favorable industry dynamics, including the penetration under the mutual fund products. Actually, if you see, it has diversified the portfolio of products. So it's in mutual fund business, it's into portfolio management services, the retirement solutions. So all this put together, it's actually driving the profitability with the size as well as its product mix. Now, what are the different strategies company want to adopt in future to grow? If you see, one, they want to increase the geographical reach and expand its distribution channels, and continue to develop the PMS, offshore and alternative funds business. It want to leverage technology and destination, etc., and continue to attract, retain, and develop human capital. Now, let us talk about some of the reasons why we need to invest in UTI AMC IPO. One, it's the second largest AMC in terms of total AUM. Its products and services are actually diversified. So it offers the portfolio management services, mutual fund schemes, retirement solutions, alternative investment funds. Company generates a good margin. If you see, its margins are at 31% for FY 20. Now let us talk about some of the negative factors or the risk factors of investing in this IPO. One, if you see, the revenues are on declining mode. So if you see, the revenues have dropped from 1162 crores in FY 18 to 890 crores in FY 20. Company, the income and profit actually largely depend on the valuation of the composition of the AUM. So if your total assets under management declines, then the company revenue and margins are going to decline. So one can read some of these risk factors in RHP of the company before investing in this IPO. If you check about the IPO schedule, UTI AMC is going to open on 29 September. It's going to close on 1st October. And the allotment finalization will happen on 7th October. And your refunds and everything will get initiated on 8th October. You're going to get, if at all the allotment is done, you'll get your shares on 9th October. And listing is approximately on 12th October. If you want to apply, then you can log into your Demat account. You can visit IPO section, then check about the UTI AMC IPO link, and then bid for the respective quantity and the bid price and submit. Now let's come to the UTI AMC IPO price, the valuation front. If you see on the upper price band of rupees 554 and EPS of 21.53 for FY20, the P works out to be 25.7x. So even the same way, if we check for the last 3 years, it is at 22.3x. Means company is asking the higher price band in the range of the P range of 22x to 25.7x. So if you see, there are already listed the P's like Nippon Life AMC shares are trading at a P of 40.7x, which is the highest in the AMC industry, and SDFC AMC PE at 36.5x, which is the lowest. And if you see, the industry average is around 30.6x. So company issue price of 554 at a P of 22x to 25.7x is reasonably priced. Now, should you invest in UTI AMC IPO? Let us see all the factors that has an impact. One is one of the largest AMC in India. It generates high margins, and if you see, the revenues are on the declining mode. Share price is reasonably priced. There are almost 7 BLRMs who are the lead managers to this issue. So investors should consider all these points before investing in this IPO. If you have any queries, you can reach out to me, Suresh at myinvestmentedge.com. Keep visiting.